Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share our new patio makeover. This outdoor space needed a deep clean, and you will see everything I did to achieve this look. I'm really excited to update this space and share with you all the process in case you need ideas, inspiration, and motivation to give your backyard a complete makeover. A big thank you to Sam's Club for sponsoring today's video. You will also get to see all of the amazing things I found while shopping at Sam's Club. Now let's get started. The first step to have a beautiful outdoor area is to start with a clean space. This allows you to really vision what you want to have in the area rather than seeing what needs to be cleaned. My husband pressure washed this entire area. He washed the floors, columns, and sides of the patio. First, he gave the patio a good rinse, then followed by adding outdoor cleaning soap to really get the space cleaned. While this area was soaking up a little bit, the area rug was also washed and air dried outside within a couple of hours. Now that the soap has been on for a couple of minutes, it's time to pressure wash the area with water and really see a satisfying cleaning. Now that it's spring and with summer right around the corner, I wanted to make this space more welcoming, inviting, and practical for my family and I to enjoy the outdoors more. Thanks to Sam's Club, we found the perfect outdoor dining table set with a built-in fire pit that my family and I will enjoy so much. Mother's Day is coming up, and if you need gift ideas, Sam's Club has amazing things for your mom or loved ones to know how special they are. I wanted to show you all some items I found at my local Sam's Club and from their online website. These items make great gifts for your loved ones and for yourself to enjoy. Sam's Club has Members Mark products ranging from food, home, household items, outdoor, and so much more sold exclusively at Sam's Club. I'm going to share many items that caught my attention and items that I purchased for my family and I to enjoy these items together. Sam's Club Members Mark brand offers so many options to choose from, and I was able to get everything ready for our family gatherings. I was able to find the perfect outdoor dining table set for our outdoor seating. There were so many options to choose from that were so beautiful. I wanted a simple yet elegant look to my patio, and I found the perfect decor pieces to complement the space. The Members Mark brand lantern and outdoor candles were a must to complete the look I was going for and are high quality for the price. I also picked up 2 sets of the outdoor flameless candles for my mom and I because they were such a great deal for $19.99 each. Members Mark products are made with their members and planet in mind. For home and outdoor decor, they have living room furniture, outdoor wreaths, grills for cooking, outdoor solar spotlights, gazebos, portable hammocks, rocking chairs, umbrellas, patio heaters, and so much more. Through my personal experience, Members Mark brand has very reasonably priced items that are amazing quality. Setting up the table was really easy. All of the chairs came already assembled straight out of the box. Now that I'm done decorating the patio, I'm going to make sparkling water beverages with iced fruit. I've never done this before and thought the presentation would look adorable and taste amazing with fresh juice, sparkling water, lemonade, or even soda. If you're having a get-together with family and friends or simply want to have a fun way to enjoy spring and summer, then this idea is perfect for you. It's also a great activity to do with your loved ones and create many different iced fruits. My family really enjoyed this idea. There's papaya, pineapple, strawberries, and melon in each ice ball, and I'm going to fill it with sparkling water made with raspberries and lime. Here's how my patio makeover turned out, you guys. I love the way it looks. It's cozy, elegant, and modern. It's exactly what I wanted for this space, and the dining table set with the fire pit is the best quality. I'm so happy we chose this set for our space. If you or someone you know is in the market for an outdoor set, I highly recommend this one. If we had a bigger backyard, I would have also got a sofa set I saw at my local Sam's Club to complement this dining table. There's so many beautiful options to choose from. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can shop these items with your membership and begin your outdoor or home updates. If you're not a member yet, you can become a member and begin creating your own space with these great Members Mark products. A huge thank you to Sam's Club for allowing my family to create so many great memories ahead. Also, make sure to check out the description box because there's a surprise giveaway in today's video. This concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here. I'll talk to you all in my next one. Take care.